Today we are going to learn about movements of the earth. Okay, as you all know that earth is the only planet in which life exists. Okay, why earth is the only planet in which life exists? Because we have 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, out of those only earth is the planet where life exists. Why? Because earth has air, water and land. Air to breathe, that is oxygen, water to drink and land to live. Okay. In this chapter we will learn about revolution, rotation and effect of rotation on the earth. What happens when earth rotates on its own axis? Okay. So the first topic is we are going to learn about, that is rotation. Revolution, sorry. So what is revolution? When earth revolves around the sun on its fixed path, that is we call it orbit, is called revolution. Okay. When the earth moves around the sun in its fixed path, that is orbit, we call it, is called revolution. Okay. Suppose this is our sun. Okay. And this is our earth. Okay. When this earth moves around the sun, revolves around the sun on a fixed path, okay, this is an imaginary line which is drawn around the sun, okay, is called revolution. And what this imaginary line we call it orbit, इसे हम orbit बोलते हैं. And when earth revolve around the sun in its fixed path is called revolution. Okay. The same thing, the second is rotation. Now what is rotation? Okay. When the earth spins on its own axis. ओन एक्सिस का मतलब होता है अपनी ही जगह पे, ठीक है, इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. इस चीज को हम रोटेशन कहते हैं. ओके. व्हेन अर्थ स्पिन्स ऑन इट्स ओन एक्सिस इज कॉल्ड रोटेशन. ओके. सपोज अर्थ इज रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड द सन. Okay, and at the same time it is also moving on its own axis. अपनी एक्सिस पे भी मूव कर रहा है. For example, I am earth. Okay, I am revolving around the sun as well as rotating on my own axis like this. मैं खुद ही अपनी ही एक्सिस पे रोटेट कर रही हूँ. This process is called rotation. इसको हम rotation कहते हैं. Okay. Now, earth is little bit tilt. Okay. Earth is little bit tilt at the angle of 23.5 23.5 degree. Okay, this is we call North Pole and this is we call South Pole. इसे हम नॉर्थ पोल कहते हैं एंड इसे हम साउथ पोल कहते हैं. एंड दिस इज एन इमेजिनरी लाइन कॉल्ड इट एक्सिस. It passes through the center of the earth and join north pole and south pole. Okay, now we will learn about what happens when earth rotates on its own axis. So my dear students, now we will learn about effect of the rotation on the earth. Now what happens when earth rotates on its own axis? Okay, what happens when earth rotates its own axis? When earth rotates on its own axis, it causes day and night. दिन और रात होती है when earth rotates on its own axis. This thing I will explain you with the help of an example diagram. Sorry, this is our sun. Okay, and this is our earth. Now, when sun rays will fall on this portion, this portion will experience day. Okay, जब sun की rays, this is sun rays, जब sun की rays इस पोर्शन में पड़ेगी अर्थ के, so this portion will experience day. Okay, and this portion where sun rays are not able to go, this portion will experience night. Okay, same way when the earth will rotate around the sun, जब ये अर्थ सन के अराउंड रोटेट करेगी, so what will happen? The earth position will change. Okay, earth position will change and this portion, after that this portion will receive light and will experience day, and this portion will not receive light and will experience night, the white night. Okay, so when earth rotates on its own axis, it causes day and night, and because of this rotation of the earth, we are able to see rising of the sun and setting of the sun. The sun rises from the east and sets from the west, and because of this rotation we are able to experience day and night. And when earth rotates around the sun, when earth rotates on its own axis, अपनी ही एक्सिस पे जब अर्थ रोटेट करती है, it takes 24 hours, पूरे 24 घंटे लेती है अपने ही एक्सिस पे रोटेट करने के लिए. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी एक्सपीरियंस डे एंड नाइट. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर we will in the next video we will learn about revolution and what happens or the effect of revolution on the earth. Thank you.